Howdy guys, this is G-Money 1996, and today I have arrived at the Rocky Mountain Car Wash here in Belgrade, Montana. That's right, after about 2.5 years, they finally got it rebuilt after that fire they had, which was pretty tragic. And I know I've already shot another video of this place in Butte, but I thought I just go through and film it anyway. So I thought for this first video, we're gonna go through the soft touch system. So we'll be filming both on this camera and my GoPro. Hopefully the brushes don't knock it off. But yeah, and see if this is as good as the one in Butte. So, in we go. And it looks like, same type of machines they had before. It looks like D&S IQ Soft Touches. And they touch lightly on the car, so hopefully it'll be all good.
Then enter the amount shown.
Okay. Here's the price tags for these. So obviously, Ultimate Wash. Put that down for a sec.
Ultimate Wash. Please deposit the amount shown. Processing. Thank you for your purchase.
Sweet.
For a receipt, press print.
No, not gonna do that. That's probably the undercarriage. All right. Doors closed behind us. Of course, earlier the guy introduced me to the place and gave me a special discount code thing. I did ask him to film and he said no problem. I was worried he was going to say no, but I was glad he was okay with it. Anyway, we got a pre-soak. And a tri-foam, it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. Make it a little easier. Scrubbing the wheels, it looks like. Like high pressure with the brushes. Yeah, just like before, it touches nice and lightly. I should also probably mention, when we go through the touch-free system, I'm not going to have a GoPro video on that because, well, I've already got one. Brush is coming back. I bet this is the spot-free rain curtain, that is. Yep, I think it was. Oh no, maybe this is the spot-free. Huh. Or, I don't know, really know what it's doing. Wait, it smells something. That's probably more wax, I think. Alright. Maybe that was it. That's still going. It would be more helpful if they had, like, you know, those light boards that tell you what the machine is doing, but they don't. Oh. Alright, I think that's it. Here we go. Alright, well, that was the D&S IQ Touch free system. And that's the end of part 1 for the video, so stay tuned for part 2.